Good morning everyone. So for today's video guys, I'll teach you my knowledge about Steno Volume 1. So so I for today's video guys, I teach you the 25 alphabet of Steno Volume 1. So E smaller, A, then I, N, M, S, P, B, S, F, B, T, D, then H. O, R, L, K, J, over TH, under TH.